The elderly woman had 14 beloved cats living underneath her trailer. It was imperative for her to transition towards a care facility, considering the inclement weather conditions of 40 degrees. We successfully facilitated their departure from the premises, including a rescue of a ewe. At that point, we did not intend to relocate him onto an arm just yet. He's got a large kennel in the garage. It's all he did. I would go out, I would put my phone there, and exclusively in my absence would he emerge from his abode. At the slightest indication of my approach towards him, instantly he would emit a hiss and swiftly deliver a resolute swat. I shall not surrender my endeavor in standing by this boy. Subsequently, he would indeed take a moment to inhale the essence of my extended hand. It got to a point where Elle could touch not his actual body, only with his strands of hair, and then I would gradually withdraw. And I discerned that his dental composition had succumbed entirely to putrefaction. And in that moment, I comprehended the magnitude of agony he was enduring. Upon his return from the surgical procedure, he was just so much more calm, and he just looked at me like, we have an earnest desire to embrace him, providing him with every essential requirement. He possesses a dedicated chamber for his accommodation, where he indulges in a life. He's at peace, he has attained a state of profound tranquility.